Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you some of my beauty favorites, and these are things that I have been using on my skin for a very long time, and they're very effective and they're highly recommended. So first I'm going to talk about cleansing, because I think it's very important to have a good cleansing regimen for your skin. And I've mentioned this before in one of my videos where some people tend to cleanse their skin and don't tone, because I think toning is quite as effective for your skin. So I mean, I wear makeup basically every single day. So one of the things that I use to remove my makeup is from Clinique, and it's called Take the Day Off Cleansing Oil. And I think oils are a really great way to remove makeup from your skin. This is one of my #1 highly recommended cleansing oil for your skin to remove makeup. It's a little bit high priced because I got this from Sephora, and as you can see, I am trying to use my products that are very expensive, you know, as little as I can, because all you need is just a little bit in a tiny container or on a cotton ball, and that's all you really need on your face. Or you can just use a makeup brush to apply this on your face, and then you leave it for a few minutes, and then you're good to go. So what you will do is you're gonna, after you apply this on your skin, in a few seconds you will notice that the makeup is dissolving from your face. And I usually use a face cloth to remove the product from my skin, and then I go in with additional cleansing. And I gotta tell you, I mean, this one here is from Marcelle, and it's ultra gentle cleansing gel. And I'm going to leave all the information in the description box for you guys. But I am going to say to you right now, if you're watching this video, get online and order this cleanser. I mean, you are not going to regret a single moment using this cleanser. And why I say that is because it's paraben free, oil free, soap free, it's perfume free, it's hypoallergenic, it's good for your skin, it's good for sensitive skin, it's good for dry combination oily skin, and it does not interfere with the you know, with the pigmentations of your skin. It doesn't interfere with stripping away all the oils from your skin. So it's very important, I think, when you are looking for cleansers and you're looking for toners and moisturizers, it has to be natural. It has to be free of all these parabens and oil, and not oils, but parabens and alcohol and, you know, stuff like that. So this is very effective, very effective cleanser, and I will highly recommend this cleanser for anyone's skin. But between the Marcelle, I tend to alternate with the simple kind of skin, because you know what though, I gotta tell you that I mean, I can use any cleanser I want, but for some reason I always go back to this. And the reason why I go back to the simple kind of skin is because it has witch hazel in it. As many of you already know, that witch hazel is a natural healing ingredient. I remember when I was much younger, and my mom used to always use witch hazel. If you have a scratch or an irritation or a bruise or a cut, she would wash the area with salt and water, and she would apply witch hazel on the affected area, and in a matter of days it's completely healed. So witch hazel is one of those products that you should have in your medicine cabinet, in your bathroom, on your vanity at all times, because it's very effective, and it's really it's good when it comes to cleaning and calming and healing the skin much faster. So simple kind of skin is again in my #1 arsenals of cleansing products. It's very effective. I do like it. And I tend to go back and forth between those cleansers, because I mean, of course they're natural. They've got natural products in them, you know what I mean. So this one is tea tree and witch hazel, and when we were in London, we purchased this product from Boots Pharmacy. As you can see, Boots right there, and as you can see, it's basically done. And the reason why I'm holding on to this is because when we go to England, I have to remember what it is I need to pick up, because this is incredible. And I did pick up the toning lotion as well. The toning lotion also has tea tree oil and witch hazel, and they both are amazing products. Okay, so you can pick those up from Boots Pharmacy, and you know what though, they're very inexpensive, and I really like this too. And one tip I'm going to pass on to you guys is this: when you are using your toners, always use cotton balls. Don't use your cleansing cloth to tone your skin, because you don't really want to transfer ingredients from one thing to the next. I mean, these are little cheap little bottles that I got from the dollar store, and you know, you load this up with cotton balls and you saturate your cotton balls with the product and you clean your face, because toners tend to remove excess dirt and excess oil that your cleansers did not remove. So just try to keep that in mind. And of course, try to keep in mind again, go for something that has tea tree oil, witch hazel, alcohol free, paraben free, because all of these stuff are very beneficial to your skin. And before I put my moisturizer on, I always use my FAVES skincare line. This is called Pure Prep Fading Fluid, and this is the product right here. Now, I'm just going to say, first of all, I'm just going to warn you right now, if you are going to purchase this Pure Prep from FAVES Skincare, it says skin brightening fluid, and you think this is going to fade your skin, fast forward right now, or maybe just stop watching this video, because this is not what this product is for. Because a lot of people, when it says fading fluid and skin brightening, people tend to think that, oh my god, it's going to brighten my skin and I'm not going to be that dark, etc, etc. This is not what this product is for. If you find yourself having slight breakouts or slight irritations on your skin, or maybe some blackheads here and there, this is what I use as a spot treatment. It's going to help to lighten your skin, and by that I mean it's going to help to clear up the dark spots, the dark spots on your skin, the dark circles around your eyes, any sort of dark pigmentations on your skin, breakouts, or whatever the case may be. This is absolutely perfect for this. And all you need is one pump. You open this up and you put one little drop on your hand, and that's all you need. I mean, you can use this all over your face if you want, but I tend to use this as a spot treatment. Okay, so keep that in mind, and it's not going to interfere with the pigmentations from your skin and stuff like that. It's not going to do that. So I really like this product. It's very effective, and all of these things that I talked about today are my number one very highly recommended products for skincare, to help to clear your skin, to remove all the dead skin and the dead surfaces from your skin without stripping your skin of the natural oils. Just try to keep that in mind. My moisturizer, I don't have my Simple Kind to Skin moisturizer down here, but I go between my Simple Kind to Skin moisturizer and my Oil of Olay 7. It's anti-aging moisturizer. Okay, it's very hydrating, I find, and of course there are 7 benefits to this, which is of course, you know, lightening the skin, getting rid of crow's feet, and etc. It's a very effective oil of Olay. I have been using oil of Olay for, I would say, more than 10 years, I would think, and the product has been improved a lot over the years. And these are things that I find that since I've been using them, it's been very effective. Oil of Olay 7. And don't get the one that's tinted, because this is just the one that really is moisturizing, because I tend to need a lot of moisturizer for my skin. Although I have very oily skin, you know, you need to have that moisture in your skin again. Okay, and if I notice that I do have any underlined circles on my eyes, because sometimes, you know, you may get dark, not really underlined, what did I just say? If you notice sometimes that you have dark circles under your eyes, because of maybe from lack of sleep or whatever the case may be, ROC, I need you to get these 2 things immediately. They come together in one package. This is step number 1, and this is step number 2. So you're going to use your little finger and you're going to dab this under your eyes, and I tend to go very gentle around the eyes and above the eyes as well. And then I apply step 2. around the eyes as well, and this is going to help remove those dark circles from around the eyes. It's not going to irritate the skin. It's very, 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 very gentle, and I am one of those people who are very, very, very particular with things that I use, and I would really recommend this to you guys. If you are suffering from dark circles, try this. And one of the things I'm going to say is skincare is not a one-size-fits-all for everybody, because everyone tend to try to start using products and expect immediate results. You have to give yourself some time so the products can work. So if you are one of those people who have extremely damaged skin, constant breakout, you have to have a total different regimen for your skin. Here is what I'm going to recommend for you. If you have constant breakouts and you have exposed raw pimples on your face, avoid spin brushes, because that is your enemy number one. Don't ever use a spin brush. 2, don't use face cloth. What I will recommend to you is this: you get yourself Dove soap. You make sure you wash your hands completely, that your under your nails are nice and clean. There is no bacteria on your skin. And then you can use your cleanser. Put your cleanser on your hands, massage that together, and then you can massage your face. And you can repeat that step over and over and over and over, because you want to be able to keep your skin calm, and you want to be able to keep your skin from being keep your skin from having additional irritation. Okay, always use your hands, because think about this for a second. You know, I'm a registered nurse, and I work in a hospital, and when a doctor or a surgeon or anyone is going into an operating room, what's the first thing he does? He scrubs his hands, because he doesn't want any bacteria from his hand to transfer to an open wound on that patient he's working with. In any hospital, any medical setting, it's always about hand washing. This is where you have your germs and your bacteria and all of that stuff. So if you are trying to maintain healthy skin, especially if your skin is really, really at a bad state, try and make sure you clean your hands. And the reason why I say Dove, because Dove has a moisturizer in it, so that's going to keep your hand nice and soft. And then you can use your cleansing gels to clean your face. And of course, I also recommend that you use a cotton ball, and you use witch hazel, or you use any product that has witch hazel in it, which is going to help to keep clean and calm your skin. And then you can put your moisturizer on. And these are for people with worse skin conditions than ever. Try to not use any irritants, not to use anything with alcohol. These things are going to help you a lot, and they're little tips that I'm trying to pass on to you guys. And again, diet may have a lot to do with it, and again, it not necessarily, because I know there are people who have perfectly good skin, and they eat and they drink the worst things on the planet. I have friends who have beautiful skin, don't ever wear any foundations, and they drink and they smoke and they party all the time. And again, so diet has a lot to do with it. So the balance between eating a proper diet and skincare, there's a fine line, because it's not for everybody. You know what I mean? So try and keep that in mind. So one of the things I'm really trying to teach people on this channel is about healthy skin, and about using the right products that has the right ingredients that will really help you to clear your skin up. So don't be discouraged. Be patient. Give yourself some time. Stay away from steaming. And again, do not use any spin brushes, and stay away from cloth. Just try and use your hands and cotton balls only. So these are just a few tips I'm just passing on to you guys, and these are some of the things that I have been using to really help to clear my skin up and to keep my skin balanced. Give yourself some time, like I said, and be patient, and these things are going to work for you. So try to keep that in mind. And one of the things that I do recommend, again, for spot treatment on your face, is from Serious Skincare. I'm going to leave all of the information in the description box for you guys. Pick up on the fading fluid. It's going to help over time get rid of the dark spots, the blackheads, the pimples. It's going to help you with all of that. Because sometimes I find I have a pimple that really wants to come out and it's hurting like hell and it's just under the skin, this is absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect for that. So that's it for now, guys. I just really wanted to share with you some of my beauty tips, and these are things that I guarantee will work for you. Leave me a comment, any questions that you have. Let me know what you are doing for your skincare regimen, for your skincare routine. What helps you with clear skin and clean skin and stuff like that, so we can help other people and you know, try to help them with their beauty secrets, and maybe with their, not really beauty secrets, but to really help them on a journey to get their skin back to good condition. Okay, please share, thumbs up my video, subscribe to my channel, leave me comments, any questions that you may have, and I shall see you guys in my next video, which should be coming up shortly. I have some great reviews coming up on some products, and one of the products that I want you to get right now, Marcelle cleansing gel. Go out and get this and you are going to see a big difference on your skin, trust me. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great day and happy Sunday, and I shall see you guys shortly, and bye for now. Bye.